Well, we were planning to do the Rice Canyon Wills Loop here in the Ventura River Preserve, but unfortunately the bridge is burned out, and when we came to take a look at it, it does seem more of a actually permanently off limits as opposed to a go at your own risk. But so instead we're going to do the Orange Grove to the
Upper
River Loop today.
So we're back at the trail marker where we had previously taken a right to head up to Rice Canyon, but that trail is closed. So now we're going to go the other way. We're going to go straight on the Orange Grove Trail and do Plan B.
So we saw there was a nice big swimming hole off the side of the trail, and Bean, of course, loves to go swimming, so we just followed the side trails, which were easy to see to get down there, and it's definitely worth a stop if you're taking this hike. The trails here in the Ventura River Preserve are nice and wide, so super easy for everybody to access. They are multi-use, so you will see horses and mountain bikers, and it's a pretty popular area, so it's usually busy. You can expect to see other people. So we walked up to this gate here. Apparently we were supposed to take the cut off to the left where it said trail. And luckily there's another spot right here that looks like we can go down to meet up the main trail down here.
So even though we have a map, we have managed to lose the trail. Fortunately, because of that map, we have a good sense of where the trails should be, and so we're kind of bushwhacking in the general direction of where we think we're going to meet up with one of these other trails. So it's sort of low stakes, at least in this direct area right next to the river, if you lose the trail.
Practicing my stealth skills in the forest. We have found the trail. Huzzah! If you ever find yourself in that situation where you've lost the trail and you're not quite sure where to go, make sure you don't panic, just stay calm, use the landmarks around you, and remember you can always backtrack and go back to where you started from. So we have now crossed the river and are on the other half of the trail that goes back towards the parking lot, and we probably should have stayed on the trail, gone uphill a little bit, and then I think there's another crossing that we could have taken.
Well, we made it back to the trailhead, and we needed to do a little improvising on our hike today, which is not something I'm particularly good at. Connor is much better at it than I am. I was grateful that we had a map to sort of navigate our Plan B scenario. We spent most of the morning hiking through some of these lower trails in the preserve next to the river.
Yeah, it does seem like there's a lot of trails that go up into the hills. Easy ones on the lower flat, but harder ones as you go up into the hills, and they all seem really nice, so we're excited to explore this area in the future. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a like below, and if you want to see more videos like this one, please consider subscribing. Thank you.
Thank you.